In this guide, I'll show you how to update your Nintendo Switch in safe mode. So the first thing you want to do is press and hold the power button at the top until power options appears. Then you want to select power options and we're going to go to turn off. Now when your Nintendo Switch is fully turned off, what you want to do is have a look at the top where you'll see three buttons: the up volume, the down volume, and the power button. So you want to press and hold the up volume and the down volume button at the same time, and then quickly press the power button. Now you'll know you have done this right if the light on your screen turns on and then turns off. Then you can release the volume buttons and your Nintendo Switch will enter safe mode. So at the top you'll see update system as well as the current version you're using. And if you want to update your Nintendo Switch you can, just bear in mind you do have to be connected to the internet. So it's going to prepare your system update and it'll tell you when it's updated. And when you want to exit safe mode, all you need to do is simply press the power button at the top, which will turn off your console. And to turn it back on, simply press the power button. This video is helpful. Like and subscribe, and we'll see you in the next one.